For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to create the groups by using StatPro V8 software. Okay, so basically groups are helps to applying the properties and designing specifications for the particular members. Okay, so for example, if you applied any kind of the inclined member on the building structure, so it will not able to select that particular member by using the option which is comes under the selection of beams parallel to x direction as well as the z direction. At that situations, it is important to create the groups. In this video, I will explain you how to create the groups and how to apply the properties for the respected building structure by using the groups. Okay, so for that, firstly I am selecting my stat model here. So click on the select your StatPro V8 software. Now we can see this is my stat building model. So now we can see for this respected building model, it will be consisting of the beams parallel to x direction condition and some of the beams parallel to z direction condition, and some of the beams are parallel to this respected inclined direction only. Okay, so it is not possible to select that particular beam sections by using the selection of the property beams parallel to x and z direction. Okay, so for example, just I will select the beams. Go to select option. In order to select the beams, we will generally use select beams parallel to x direction condition. Again, we will select the beams parallel to z direction condition. If you see this particular beams, if the inclined members are not selected here. Okay, so in order to select this particular beams also, we need to create the group sections in the StatPro software. Okay, so this is also one of the most important command. Okay, so before that, initially I will define the beam size, column size. Go to click on the proper general option here. Just I'm selecting. Click on the define option. So click on the rectangular property. Just I'm selecting the beam size which is comes under 0.35 cross 0.35 section. So click on add option. Again I am adding the column size which is comes under the 0.35 cross 0.46. So in the same process I am selecting one more section which is comes under the 0.46 section. Click on add option. Okay. So after that we have to define the thickness of the plate. Click on the thickness. Just I am selecting the plate thickness which is comes under 150 mm. So click on cancel option. So before applying this respective property which is comes under the beam section and inclined beam sections, column sections as well as the plate section, we need to create the group section for the building. Okay, so for that, firstly we have to click on the tools option here. So it will be consisting of the create group option here like this. Select this particular option. So here we have to create the group for the beams, inclined beams, columns as well as the slab section here. Okay, just I am selecting the beam section here. Okay, select the type will be comes under the beams option. Okay, so here I am selecting the OK option here. So it will add the group name with the beam which is on the bracket. It will be consisting of beam unassigned. So here in this case we are not assigned any kind of the property, that's why it is showing the unassigned section. So in order to apply this particular beam section group, we need to select beams parallel to x direction condition. Again we have to select beams parallel to z direction condition system. So click on the assign to selected geometry option. So click on the associates option. Okay, so if you click on the directly associate option, it will directly show you the message here beam assigned here like this. Okay, so again in the same process I am creating one more group which is comes under the column section. Just I am selecting column 1 section here which is comes under the beam option here again. Okay, so it will be consisting of beam, plate, geometric floor here. So column is also generally we will consider frame section which is comes under the beam only. Click on OK. So again we have to select the beams. Go to select option, beams parallel to y direction condition. Click on assign to selected geometry. Click on assign option so that it will assign the property which is comes under the column here. Again I am deselecting this respected member. So now we have to assign the plate thickness group. So for that, click on create option. Just I am selecting here as slab. Okay, so you can select the type which is comes under the plate option here. Okay, click on OK option. So again we have to select the plate options for the respected building model. Just I am selecting the plate. Just I am selecting all the plates. Click on assign to selected geometry. Click on associate option so that it will associate the plate thickness. Then after that we have to create one more last group which is comes under the inclined groups. Inclined groups. Just I am selecting OK option here. So here we have to select the inclined beams for this respective property. Just I am selecting these beams. Again I am selecting these beams. Now we can see it was selected all the inclined beams. Click on assign to selected geometry. Click on associate option so that it will assign the inclined group property here. Okay, For firstly, I will select this respective property which is comes under the beam. So in order to apply this particular beam section property, we need to select by group name option. It will be available on this respective property. So here we have the option which is comes under the group name. So you can select any one of the group. Just I'm simply selecting the beams. Now you can see all the beams are selected here for this respective structure except the columns, plates as well as the inclined beams. Okay. So you can click on assign to selected geometry option, or else you can select the assign to selected beams option, click on assign option, click on S option, so that it will assign the property for the particular beams only. Again in the same process it will be consisting of inclined members here which is comes under the 0.35 cross 0.46 value. So you can click on the inclined group option. Okay. So before that we need to deselect this particular G1 option. Just I am deselecting here, so that it will select only the inclined members. Click on assign to selected beams, assign option, yes option. So after that we have to select the column section. Just I am selecting the column here. Again we have to click on the inclined members so that it will deselect the inclined members. Click on assign to selected beams option, assign option, yes option. In the same process we have to select the slab section, deselect the slab column section, select the plate thickness, select the slab here, click on assign to selected plate, assign option, yes option, so that it will apply the all the property for the building structure. Now we can see this is the beam section, this is the inclined beams, this is the column section as well as this is the plate thickness. Okay. So now I will show you this respected model in 3D rendering view option. Click on the 3D rendering view option here. Now we can see it was assigned the property which is comes under this respected section here like this. Okay, which is comes under the beams, columns as well as the inclined beams and slab section. Okay, so this is the process. So before applying any kind of the property which is comes under the beam size, column size as well as the slab thickness and some of the property for the building structure, it is important to create the groups under certain building consideration sections. Okay, so here in this case example it will be consisting of the 4 types of the property which is comes under the beam sections, column sections, slab sections as well as the inclined member section. So in order to apply the property which is comes under the dimensions of the beam, column as well as the inclined beams as well as the slab section, we are created the groups 4 types. Okay, so for that just we have to go to click on the tools option here. We need to click on this respected create group option. You can directly click on the create option so that it will take the new option of the creating the group, so that we have to write the name of that particular ID number for the respected group, and we have to select the particular members in the building structure. We have to directly assign that particular member by using the associate selected geometry option, so that it will apply the property for that particular group. Okay, so in this case I have selected 4 types of the plates here. So in the same process you can repeat the model for the respected your building consideration section. Okay, so if you have any queries about this respected video regarding the creating the groups and assigning the respected groups by using StatPro V8i software, you can directly text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.